The LG U20 user, and today in the new video, the Samsung Galaxy A51 purchased one. So the Galaxy A51 is not only average mobile, it's available now for $299 and it's showing us $100 off. The full retail price of the Galaxy A51 is $399.99. So yeah, I think that this is the 5G variant, I believe. I think so. Yeah, so that's the phone right there, and that's a whole bunch of front facing camera, power and RAM keys on the left side of the phone there, and yeah, that's back of the phone. You guys got full cameras, camera for that Samsung logo, and it looks like it's like a two-tone color on the back there. On the left side, you have nothing. So this is experience the features you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A51. Take crisp pics and flawless smooth video with the 48 megapixel quad camera. Equipped with super steady optical image stabilization mode. Immerse yourself in its basic 6.5 inch Super AMOLED screen powered by a long-lasting, fast-charging battery. So quick specs on the Galaxy A51, you guys have the 6.5 inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 20 hours of talk time, 128 GB of storage, and Android 10 on board. Of course, as always, order today, wait for the phone to arrive. Pick your time and activate online. Pretty simple if you want. So yeah, features power to keep you going. Scroll, snap, and share with a fast charging battery that retains power throughout the day. Pro grade shots in just a snap. Capture pro level photos with the tap of your finger. From epic landscape shots and dramatic portraits to macro angles that reveal intricate textures and detail. This impressive photo camera has a lens for whatever inspires you. Crisp, colorful, and captivating. Dive into edge-to-edge color with an expensive 6.5-inch Infinity A display featuring a Super AMOLED screen that brings cinematic clarity right to your fingertips. So let's see that. Additional features of the phone. Storage in expandable memory, so that's nice. With 128 gigabytes of built-in storage and up to 5 terabytes of expandable microSD storage. Shoot all the photos and videos you want without running out of room. Android 10, of course. Get help when you need it with live captions, smart reply, text and navigation, and more. Customize your phone and get things done just the way you want it. One UI exceeds your limits. With the One UI, find and interact with the content you want conveniently with one-handed use. NetMed also makes for convenient. NetMed also makes for comfortable usage in daytime and in other low-light situations. Mexico capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Pine add-on is required for that. Voice phone capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the boost network. Select plans and click with the minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So that would be good for emergencies only. Or hotspot, of course, so don't get stuck without internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for unlimited access. Access is per plan. So, yeah. Specs from this one is pretty good. You guys have a 4,000 mAh battery, 20 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM. With microSD card slot up to 512 gigabytes. You have a octa-core processor that is Exynos 9611. Android 10.0, Android 10 with One UI, I think 3.0 I believe, or 2.0, whatever. I think it's One UI 2.0, I believe with Android 10. I'm not really sure. I think it's here. I think, yeah, it's One UI, but I'm not sure what version it is. Camera 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel macro lens in the 5 megapixel lens, and the 32 megapixel selfie lens in the front. So pretty awesome there. 6.5-inch Full HD Plus. Chip AMOLED display with dimensions on the Galaxy A51 is 6.24 inches height, 2.89 inches width, 8.31 inches depth. The Galaxy A51 weighs 6.7 ounces. Connectivity options: you guys have Wi-Fi 4, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, NFC. Other features include fast charging fingerprint sensor with its in-display fingerprint sensor and also facial recognition. So that's pretty awesome. Right? What's included is a Samsung Galaxy A51 travel adapter, ejection pin, quick start guide, and data cable. So nothing special in the box. Right? If you guys need help to learn how to use the Galaxy A51, reach my website for me with the device support, which is a great tool. So it says here, want to know everything to use to know about this phone, learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications, right? So that's a great tool to have. It's device support. So if you like to learn how to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or set up your email, whatever, device support is a great tool. So, do you guys have it? This mobile family has the Samsung Galaxy A51. Available now for $299.99. It's coming in sale $100 off. The full retail price is $399.99. And I think this is the 5G version, I think, or or this might be the 4G version. I'm not really sure. I don't know. This is I don't know. It doesn't mention nothing about 5G. It never in the description. No mention of 5G anywhere. So I don't know if it has 5G on it or not. I'm not really sure. If the Galaxy A51 from this mobile has 5G, let me know. I would greatly appreciate that. But either way, guys, the Galaxy A51 is a massive phone, has great special capabilities. So if you guys are looking to get a pretty decent mid-range Samsung phone, but don't want to spend the big bucks for the Galaxy A51, it's looking for you guys. So yeah, I'm hoping this has 5G. I'm hoping it does. But I'm not really sure if it doesn't mention nothing about 5G or nothing like that. 5G is not mentioned nowhere in the description or specs or nothing like that. So I don't know. It's probably 4G. If it's 4G, it's fine, but we also know if it's 5G. So yeah. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now available at Reach Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are watching me a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.